Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you all the stuff that crocheting I need the last year. So I will try it on one by one. I will start for summer and finish with winter sweaters. I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's go. So I will start for this dress that I like it to match. I use different colors for the top and for the bottom. You can see I like it. I made it in cotton because I like the feeling with the cotton. So I use this in summer because the color is so nice and the shape. This is the back. I like it. In this I use different techniques like granny with shape, different shape, different kind of stitch. So I like it this. So here we have a top. This is a nice top with the sun front with this shape here on the strap. In the back have some buttons. It's nice. So we carry on with this top. This is a special top because I use the technique like a big granny on front. You can see. In this is I like it to match. See the back. I like it. It's perfect for the summer with a jeans. I like it. For this all three piece I use cotton because I love the feeling the cotton, you know, in summer. The next one is this skirt. I use a special technique, the flower technique. This is nice, and I made too the top for a perfect match. You can see it. You can see it. It's nice. With the long sleeve, you can wear on there your bikini or some top, and for this piece. So we carry on. So with some bag that I made. This is a small one. It's perfect for summer. You can wear here. This piece is in cotton too. I like it. The next one, I call it like a sunny bag. The sunny bag, I like it. I use the technique with granny too, with different colors. I use this in summer with skinny jeans, with top, with sandals. I like it. I like it. The next one is this. The summer hat. I like it because when I went to the beach, I can put the ring on my face and I can see anyone. Oh, so I can use like that too. It's a funny hat with different colors. Really, this was my first summer hat. The next thing is, let me show you this. The bolero we in different colors. The bolero necro color. I have this in black color too. See, it's very nice. And I have the last one here, this with multicolor or different colors. I use for this street bolero the same pattern, just I change the colors. I'm not sure who is my favorite, but I like it. So the next one, this, I show you some bikinis that I made, but in this video I not try it on. So if you want that I try it on, just let me know below in the comments for a try it on for each one. I made 3 different colors, this, and this. Each one have a part of bottom part and a top part too. We'll try. Oh. I will try. If you want to see how if you want to see how is the try on for each one, I can show you each one on the bottom too. I made it in cotton too. All in summer stuff I made it with cotton yarn. So let's go. We carry on with the winter. I will start with the winter. The first one is this piece with checkered. Look, different colors. I use for this I think so 2-3 different techniques. One for the neck and 2 for the checkers, and 3 how to make the button ribbed too. I made it in 2 different colors, and this yellow one you can see is so perfect to come back to a school or just for winter. The next one is this hat in crochet. It is in crochet too, you can see. This was my first hat for winter. I use a good quality, the wool. One technique that was my first time that I tried it, and I like it. This. The other thing that I made was this cardigan. I made this cardigan using the knit technique with different holes in arms. You can see front and back. So I made a second piece. This was for a month. For a month, I made the small one for a kid, the small one. This was very easy to make because the size is small and use less wool, like such as this. I use too much. It is a little bit heavy. This is light and I like it too, and it smells very well. So the last one to finish is this knit cardigan. I knit with a technique is normally used in the North country. Here in Europe is like is used in Iceland for the old woman. I like it because you can see the intarsia, different shades, the color that I use, and I like it. And the last one is the balaclava hat. This was trendy this winter. We can see it in different countries, different front rows. I made two. This was my first one. I used 3 different colors and I make it in cotton because this is better like in this kind of material for me, this one. And the second one was this. I like to match the colors, and I wear this in my last travel to Amsterdam. Yes, I like it. I like it. You can see the feet. I like it. So for this one, you have to a tutorial how to make this piece. It's very easy to make, and you can complete your outfit for the winter. Okay everyone, this is all the stuff that I made the last year. So let me know below in the comment if you have any question or if you want to have the pattern for each one. Do you want? Let me know below. So see you next time. Bye.